my paint, paintbrush, I got my vinyl.
Hey Melissa, what are you up to?
Hey, what's up, Austin? I'm just getting ready to decorate this canvas with some vinyl.
Oh, really? I didn't know you could decorate canvas with vinyl.
Of course. Well, I was going to use glitter HTV, but instead I'm going to use EasyPSV Glitter because since it's going to be painted, I don't want to ruin that paint.
Oh, awesome. It sounds like a great idea.
It's going to be fun. Hi everyone, I'm Melissa with Siser North America, and this is Designing with Decals. Today, I'm going to show you how to decorate a painted canvas with EasyPSV. So all I have here is just a standard cotton canvas and an acrylic craft paint. You can just pick these up at your local craft store. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give this a couple coats of paint, wait an hour between coats, and then let it set overnight so I can decorate it for tomorrow. And welcome back to Designing with Decals. Yesterday we started this fun project, just painting a canvas. I applied a couple coats of an acrylic paint, let it dry for about an hour, apply a couple more coats, and then I let it dry overnight. So now we are ready to apply our EasyPSV. Place the EasyPSV onto your cutting mat, vinyl side up. Then load your cutting mat into your vinyl cutter and begin cutting. So this is our EasyPSV Glitter. It's definitely one of my favorite products. This is our diamond color, and it's a very smooth glitter. And so now that it's cut, we are going to start weeding. So sometimes I'll use my little knife to kind of divide my graphics. That just helps it with weeding. So once we've got this weeded out, we are going to apply our application tape. So now we can lift that application tape. So now it's on the tape. Get our canvas here. And then usually when I put vinyl on a fabric or a substrate like this, I like to go over it with the squeegee one more time. So I'll take the liner that I just used and put it over it, and then just kind of go over it again, just so I don't nick it or scratch the paint or anything like that. There you go. Thank you all for tuning in today. Again, I'm Melissa with Siser North America. We hope you learned something new today. So please like, subscribe, and hit that bell to receive notifications for our future videos. Bye.